Hey guys, Jungle Explorer here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a cruise control on your Toyota Sienna. This video may also apply to other models of Toyota too that have the same cruise control. As you can see here, I broke my arm here, picked up another cruise control arm thing off of Amazon.com. I'll throw a link to this in the description of the video if you're looking for this one right here. And I'm just going to walk you through putting this in and what you got to do. So we'll get at that right now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is take this little shroud off here, this little cover, and all you're going to do is take a little screwdriver or knife tip and just push right in here. And there's a little latch in there, and then this comes right out. Okay, and you can see right here there is a screw right here. This is a little bolt. This is a star tipped screw. You're going to use a size TH27 star bit to take that out. Just loosen it up. I'm going to use my Hitachi drill bit here, my Hitachi driver here, and just going to back that out a little bit. Okay, so we got that screw out. Now on the other side there's the exact same thing, and I'll show you that one. Okay, the same thing over here. Just come in here, push in, pull that out. There we see our screw up in there. And back that up. Now that we've backed out both of those screws on the other side, the airbag will now come out of the car. We're just going to move it up to here. Okay, now we can see our screws that hold the cruise control in. Going to switch over to a number 2 DeWalt bit here and go ahead and take these 2 screws out right here. And now the little cruise control is loose. Okay, so what we got to do here is just take the plug out of the existing cruise control. This one comes with its own plug. Just go ahead and take this out right here. You don't need it. We're just going to plug this one right in here into this. Bam. Okay, so now that we've got it plugged in, we're going to work the cruise control right in here in the exact same position as the old one. Take our screws, and it's in. Now it's just the reverse of putting this back on, your airbag system back on, in place. Switching back to the TH27 star bit or Torx bit. Go over to the sides. Tighten up the Torx screws on either side of the airbag. Have to light it up a little bit. A little on there, and we'll put our covers back on. And just put the cover back on there and snap it into place, and we're done. Got a functioning cruise control. Well, that's as easy as it is, guys. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. And when you subscribe, don't forget to click the little bell up there. That'll make sure you're notified when I release new videos. Until next time, the Jungle Explorer signing out.